Hi friends, those who know me know I'm no cook at all, okay? I know my foods from tasting, traveling all around the world, trying different flavors. And so this lockdown condition has really forced me to try and cultivate my cooking talent. And I've been trying very hard to cultivate this as a newfound hobby. But because of my love for wine, what I'm trying to do is cook with wine. So today what I'm going to do is try the Parmesan mushroom soup with white wine in it. And here's a list of my ingredients, okay? It's really simple. It takes 10 minutes to make. There's 2 cups of chopped mushrooms, sliced mushrooms. There's some finely chopped onion. There's some garlic, finely minced garlic. 2 tablespoons of butter, tomato paste, some white wine. This is an Italian white wine from Santa Cristina Bianco. This is just made a vegetable stock. You can use chicken stock too, but I prefer vegetarian stock. Finely cut coriander. You can use parsley, but I didn't have parsley on me. This is 3 egg yolks, just yolks guys, which has been whisked and beaten and ready to use as a binding or a thickening agent, and some grated Parmesan cheese, right? This is it. This is all you need. Take a little saucepan. This has already been on the heat. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. Try and be generous because at the end of the day this has to be yum yum yum. Okay. Maybe, yeah. Add your mushrooms, onion, and garlic. So as you can see, this is now softened. The mushrooms, the onion and the garlic, they've softened. And the next step now at this stage is to add some tomato sauce, or not sauce actually, it's tomato paste, some white wine, that's 2 tablespoons of white wine, and some vegetable stock to this. Wow, that's enough. And you want this now to come to a nice boil. That white wine is going to give it that lovely flavor. Okay, so as you can see, this is now boiling properly, and now it's time to add the egg yolks, the Parmesan cheese and the parsley. But before you add it all together all at once here, what you do is you take a ladle, take out a little bit of this, a small bit of this in a bowl, in a separate vessel. Take a little bit of it here on the side, half of it maybe. Keep this on a slow simmer and use a small spoon. Okay, take this a little bit on the side, and to this you add your egg yolk, Parmesan cheese. Ooh, that's a generous quantity there. And your chopped parsley or coriander. And as you can see now, this is turning nice and thick. And you thicken it here in this saucepan. And then you add this mixture to your main soup. The reason for doing this is you don't want the whole thing going all at once in your soup. But for those of you who think maybe you're going to need a bit of corn flour or some other kind of a binding agent, know that the best way to bind your soup is actually the egg yolks. The egg yolks acts as a lovely binder for the soup. And now I'm going to turn up the heat again. Did we add a bit of salt? No, I think we forgot to add the salt, didn't we? Add the salt to taste, and that should do the trick. And just let it simmer. The yolk, the cheese, it's all come together and it's looking lovely. So I think by now it's time to turn off the gas, and now it's time to plate. So all you need to do is take your soup bowl, okay, and give me the ladle. Yeah. Take this. soup spoon. Thank you. And there you go. That's your Parmesan mushroom soup ready for service. Cheers. Try that out tonight. Let me know how it goes.